month of June in Ghana, which is a month of the rainy season, we headed to the spectacular Lake Bosumtwe. The lake is a fascinating natural feature with a rich history and unique characteristics. Lake Bosumtwe is situated in the Ashanti region of Ghana, which is about 30 kilometers southeast of Kumasi, the regional capital. The lake is a natural lake formed in a meteorite impact crater, making it one of the few known impact craters with a water-filled basin. The lake is estimated to be about over 1 million years old and is formed by a meteorite impact during the Pleistocene epoch. Don't think I mentioned that name properly. The lake is about 8 kilometers in diameter and has a surface area of approximately 49 square kilometers. The maximum depth of the lake is around 80 meters, and we were quite surprised by how quickly you plunged into the depth when walking into the lake from the shore. The lake and its surrounding areas are home to various species of fish and birds. It has unique ecological characteristics due to its closed basin nature. Lake Bosumtwe has no outlet. It loses water only through evaporation and seepage, which affects its water level and salinity. The surrounding region is characterized by lush vegetation, including tropical forests, which support diverse wildlife. Lake Bosumtwe is considered sacred by the Ashanti people. According to local legend, the souls of the dead come to the lake to bid farewell to the god tree. The name Bosumtwe is derived from the Ashanti words Bosum, which means God, and Tre, antelope, reflecting a legend about a hunted antelope that vanished into the lake. The lake supports local fishing communities, with fishing being a significant part of the local economy. However, traditional fishing methods and beliefs limit fishing activities to certain times and methods. Lake Bosumtwe is a popular tourist destination in Ghana, attracting visitors for its scenic beauty, opportunities for boating, fishing, swimming, and even horse riding.